All right, today we're gonna drain and refill the hot water heater. The only tool you're gonna need for this is a flathead screwdriver. And so the first step will be to run a garden hose. And if the water is draining from the water heater, you want it to have a downward slope. So I just run the hose down around the back. That slopes down so the water will drain nicely. So the first thing I'll do is back here, this red valve, when it's running with the pipe, is going to be on. So I'm going to cut off the hot water by pushing that. I need a ladder to get back here. But that fully locks in the opposite direction, so that's off. And then I come down here and I'll look at where this is set. Right now it's to A. I'll turn this down to the off position. And then the next step is I just take my hose, attach it to this part, get it on there pretty good, so I hope we don't have any leaks or anything. And then very slowly I'm going to turn this. You can hear the water starting to run. Very slowly I'm seeing that I don't have any leaks or water spraying out of there. And gradually increase the pressure. You can just hear it starting to drain from the unit here. And then we'll go outside. Check the other end. And we can see the hose. All the water's draining out here. You can even start to see possibly some of this sediment coming out of here. Those little like white chunks are possibly coming out. Probably not dirt from out here, but that's the goal. So we'll let this run, probably drain for about 10 minutes. And then when water stops coming out of here, I'll turn the water on and we'll pick back up.